the Nike factory store at San Ysidro at Las Americas. It's the first weekend for the friends and family. We're gonna go check and see what shoes they have in stock. Alright, they have some Laker jerseys, not jerseys, but merchandise here. LeBron James, the purple and yellow. Alright guys, we're here at the bigger sizes. They have the Air Jordan 10 Retros and the Wings colorway. So there's no discounts at the hash wall, but if you have the friends and family, you can take an additional discount off. They have these Air Hirachis. They look like the Miami colorway. 720s. Let's see what Jordans these ones are. They're the big fun. I thought there were some real Jordan, not the Team Jordan ones. They have a couple of the 720s. These ones are $99, and this is all white. Let's see, the other one for $89.99. Got a couple more like Tailwinds, Air Max Plus, Raji Edge. Okay, we're at the lower sizes for the men. They have a lot of the Metcons and a lot of soccer cleats for you guys. Got a couple of Tailwinds. A lot of people here today. They have golf shoes here. Yoshi G Tour 54. They have a couple of the 270 Reacts. Let's see, they have Joyrides, Epic 55, 720s. Let me see, Airsoon Turf. It's like the Detroit Lions colorway. So you guys interested? Well, it's going for a retail price though. Might double check on the pricing. You have Jordan slides, size 9. Just checking for you guys. Let me see. I think I have the Jordan Apex React. There it is. I guess I've seen this one here been the last time I was here, so checking for you guys. Air Edge 270s. I'm gonna be dropping shoes all over the place. I have the Uptempo 95s and the Blue Fury colorway. Still going for retail though. Couple of Janowskis. They have the Chicago ones here. $79.99 minus 30% if you have their friends and family. Yeah. Alright guys, these are some of the heat from the back. The KD zooms. Let's see what this one is. All black. Flat track. And then just see this one, KD zooms. All retail prices guys, but you know, over their friends and family, you guys get additional discount. Guys are looking for the Jordan Mars 270s in this colorway. Looks like the gym red. 79. You do have full size run, actually up to like 9 to 13s. We got a few more stock of the chlorophyll Jordan 3s, size 10, 10.5 to 13s. So if you guys are interested and you guys have the friends and family, you can get it around 70 bucks. Alright, next to it with the Why Not Zeros, the Westbrooks. If you guys are interested in the Alpha Dunks, they have them here for 80 bucks. Usually when it's like this, it's already like at the lowest price that they'll go. Got a full-size run for this one. You have this colorway, and then you have this other one, the Racer Pink. Yep. And if you guys are a fan of Giannis, he has the Zoom Freak. This is the Coming to America colorway. They have retail price though, but if you have their friends and family, you can guys take advantage of that. $36 off, so it's around 84 bucks. So we do have a full-size run for you guys here. And right next to it, you guys have the PG3s, 69. And these have come back, the Air Force Max in this colorway. Looks like a Black History Month type. So, right. And if you guys are looking for a low Nike SBs, you got Chuck Solars here. You just go down, another SB FC. This one. And one more, this one. So they have these in their aisles. Got the socks BB4s at 120. We do have a full-size run for you guys. We still have the Foamosite Pros. We have a few limited stocks on hand. Guys, they have the Uptempo 95, the Chicago Away colorway, $79.99, down from $160. I know these resell not too much. So the Foamosites, $99 minus 30%. They have friends and family. And 7s. And we got the Bolmeros, just for coup. Got a whole aisle for you here. $79.99 minus 30% if you have their friends and family. And it's gonna go down this aisle. They have the SPAs, different Element 55s, and the Joyrides here, and one of the Shoe Dog packs, $59. There's no resale on these. And they have the Air Max 200s here. They have them in different colorways for you guys. Okay. It's gonna go down the Air Max aisle. You have 98s, 97 at Clot, Collab, 95s, Air Max 90s. And if you guys are into the dad shoes, they have the Monarch 4s. They come in different sizes, and they have them extra wide. Of course, they have the all black as well, $54.99, and it comes in full size run for you guys. There you go. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick look at the kids sizes here, so you guys get at least a general idea. They have these Prestos for the kids, Roshi ones, Flashy, Arachi, Air Motion, you guys, and more colorways, and you got 270s there. And they have them for the bigger kids. Team Hustle. You got LeBron Soldiers here for the kids. LeBron 15s. Yeah. And you have a couple of SBs for you guys. And soccer cleats. And a couple of Team Jordan. Jordan 6, 17, 23. Okay. It's a hybrid. Okay, so we're at the women's sizes. You have these Air Force One Stage, 10.5s in women, or 9 in men. Yeah. You do have the Cortez Classic Cortez, $44.97. Size 11 or 9.5s in men. Let's see. You have a lot of the Vapor Max 2019s down from 120.90 to 119 for you guys. They have a lot of those here from the bigger size 11 to like 7 or 8. And if you guys are looking for running shoes, they have the Pegasus 35s down from 130. Now it's $59.99, $59.97. Okay, I think I've seen this one before. The Nike Vandalize. It's like a dude constructed Air Jordan 1. $59.97. And they have a full box Jordan 34. Let me see which colorway. Black on black. It's actually grade school sizes, so it's in the wrong section. There it is. 140 minus 30% if you have the friends and family. And a lot of the usual suspect shoes that you guys see here, so I'm not gonna take any more videos of those. I'm gonna check to see if there's some apparel or accessories that are a good deal. So they have these backpacks for $39.99, so it's about 20% off. And right behind me they have these Air Jordan different styles. Again, these are 55 going for $39.99. And they have this the Air Jordan and Nike Air printed. Let's see how much this one is, you guys. So from $55 to $39.99. And they have these Air Jordan embroidered, like the label backpack. 75 from 75 down to $44.99. You have these other ones. You see it's a gold label, $85.47. Good prices, you guys. This one is $49.99. And you have these backpacks here from $35 to $24.99. So you have these really bright colored ones. So. And for apparel, you have like these ones, like Air Jordans, 30% off. Pretty good price. Let me see. This is $21.99 minus 30% off. So it's around $14. And if you have your friends and family, bring it down another 30%. So they have these. So they have select items that have additional discounts off for you guys. And before we leave this store, they have this display here that they have, you could order online. So they have like the John Elliott Air Force One collab. That looks good. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day here at the San Ysidro Nike store. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me here at the Nike San Ysidro factory store during their friends and family weekend. Thank you again. I did bump into a subscriber here. Thank you. Completely forgot your name, but thank you again for saying hi. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. I do try to come out with a video every 2 to 3 times a week for this type of stuff. Alright guys, until the next video. Alright guys, had to be really careful. It was raining this morning, so it's kind of flooded all over here. So, better watch your step. I think I wore my Air Jordans here.